Leah has 69 fewer markers than Claire. Claire has 98 markers. How many markers does Leah have? Well, in reading this problem, there's a key phrase right here where it says Leah has 69 fewer markers than Claire. That tells us we're comparing marker amount between Leah and Claire, so we're going to use our comparison organizer. Let's reread the problem to determine who has the bigger amount of markers or the smaller amount. So here we go. Leah has 69 fewer markers than Claire. What that tells us is that Leah has the smaller amount of markers, which means that Claire must have the larger amount of markers. And the problem also reads, we're going to read it one more time, Leah has 69 fewer markers than Claire. Fewer markers, that's the difference. And so where it says difference here, we're going to put the number 69. Continuing on reading the problem, it reads, Claire has 98 markers. So we're going to put the number 98 up here. So Claire has 98 markers. And then lastly, it says, how many markers does Leah have? Well, that's what we're looking for. And what we know from our organizer is that Leah's amount plus the difference amount of 69, that is going to equal 98. So another way we can solve this is to take 98 and subtract 69, and that's going to equal the amount of markers Leah has. So now we're going to use our place value chart with the tens and the ones to solve this problem. So we're going to show 98 first in our place value chart. So here's the 98. And what that means in terms of our model, we have 9 sticks right here, or 9 groups of 10. And then these dots here are going to be 8 dots that represent the 8 ones. Next, we're going to subtract. We're going to subtract what? We're going to subtract 69. And so when we subtract 69, 69 means 6 tens and 9 ones. So let's subtract 9 ones. What we notice over here is that we only have 8 ones. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to regroup this group of 10 into dots. And these dots are going to look like this. Here's our 10 dots. So now we have 10 dots. So in our problem, let's go back to what we wanted to do. We wanted to do what? So we wanted to subtract 9 ones. So to subtract 9 ones, we're going to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dots left, or 9 ones. The next thing we're going to do is now remove 6 tens. So we're going to remove 6 tens. We're going to remove this 10, that 10. There's 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. So when we remove those 6 tens, we're now left with the number of 2 tens. So we have 2 tens and 9 ones, which is what we also call 29. So back to our problem, 98 minus 69, we have figured out that that is going to be equal to 29. Or another way we could look at the problem is 29 plus 69 equals 98. Either way, we know that Leah has 29 markers. And so there's the 29.